SRX expansion board. The SRX are a series of expansion boards produced by Roland Corporation. First introduced in 2000, they are small boards of electronic circuitry with 64 MB ROM containing patches, timbres, and rhythm sets drum kits. They are used to expand certain models of Roland synthesizers, music workstations, keyboards, and sound modules. Predecessor formats include the 15 SN-U110 PCM cards U-110, U-20, U-220, D-70, CM-64 and CM-32 P8 SL-JD80 PCM card/preset, RAM card JD only sets, and 8 SO PC Mon 1-2 MB cards both. Expansion boards. SRX-1 dynamic drum kits. SRX-2 concert piano. SRX-3 studio SRX. SRX-4 symphonic strings. SRX-5 supreme dance. SRX-6 complete orchestra. SRX-7 ultimate keys. SRX-8 platinum tracks. SRX-9 world collection. SRX-10 big brass ensemble. SRX-11 complete piano. SRX-12 classic EP. SRX-96 world collection and legendary XP Essentials Special SRX board 2008. SRX-97 John Lord's Rock Organ Special SRX board 2007. SRX-98 Analog Essentials Special SRX board 2006. SRX-99 Special Wave Expansion Promo released mid-2004. Compatible hosts. According to Roland, the following products accept SRX expansion boards. The number in parenthesis indicates the number of SRX boards each unit can accept. Fantom Workstation 2, Fantom S Series 4, Fantom X Series 4, Fantom XR Rack Unit 6, Juno G1, Juno Stage 2, RD-700, RD-700 SX, and RD-700 GX2, VCombo 2, G-71, M-82, 82, Roland MC-909-1, Sonic Cell Module 2, XV-882, XV-5050, XV-3080, and XV-2020 Modules 2, XV-5084, the Studio 701. Some later SRX cards, for example the SRX 96 and 97, do not work in the XV-3080 host synthesizer module, nor in the XV-88 keyboard synthesizer.